I am an agnostic, even though I respect and am interested in all religions. Some people are born good-looking. Sometimes nature guards her secrets with the unbreakable grip of physical law. Biodiversity can't be maintained by protecting a few species in a zoo, or by preserving greenbelts or national parks. To drop into being means to recognize your interconnectedness with all life, and with being itself. It is the nature of the strong heart, that like the palm tree it strives ever upwards when it is most burdened. I am a generous man, by nature, and far more trusting than I should be. The highest quality protein in nature is whey. It is the nature of babies to be in bliss. This is a fundamental view of the world.